Okay, class 8. This is your exponent part 3 video. It's time for the review time. Okay, at the end of your exercise. So the first question from this exercise, see the multiple choice question. Okay, so the first question is 2 upon 3 to the whole power minus 2 divided upon 3 upon 2 to the whole power minus 2 is equals to, that means after solving that answer you find out what kind of answer. Okay, solve out. 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2 divide. First of all, we know that these are the not same base. When we reciprocate, then the sign getting automatic change. That means it is 2 upon 3, it's minus 2 getting plus 2. So you see same base here. We know that when the same base is okay and divides, and here both are getting minus. Okay, so 2 upon 3 minus 2 minus 2. This is for minus 2 and this minus for divide, and 2 is this one. Okay, so 2 upon 3 to the power minus 4. We know that when we want to change the sign of the power, first of all we what? We reciprocal them. Okay, when we reciprocate it, it getting 3 upon 2 to the power whole to the power 4. So 3, 4, that means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and here is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So your answer is 81 upon 16. Okay, that means option number D. In your book you say that the option number D is your answer. Okay, note it down. Question number 3, giving a upon b to the whole power cube, and here is c upon d to the whole power cube. When we solve that, what we get? First of all, we write this one, that a by b into c by d to the whole power cube. That means this cube also this one, and this one, and this cube also this one also. Okay, that means when we multiply, what we get? A into c ac and b into d bd to the power whole cube. When we open this bracket, cube, this cube also for A and also for C, and here is also same, this is also for B and also for D. So the answer is, if you write this one is in your option, you see the option number C is your answer. Okay, note. It's time for question number 5. See, in question number 5, 3 to the power minus cube into 3 to the power upon 4x equals to 3 to the power 5. Find the value of x. See, 3 to the power 4, sorry. Same base. We know that when the same base and multiplication sign is given, that means we sum of the power. Okay, so 3 upon 4 minus 3 plus 4x equals to 3 upon 4 to the power 5. Okay, both side you see, both the equals to side have the same base, that means this one getting deducted. So what we have, minus 3 plus 4x equals to 5. So minus 3, there is 4x, 5, when minus 3 goes this side, that means plus 3, 4x equals to 8. So therefore the value of x equals to 8 upon 4, that means 2. Clear? Okay, it's time for the subjective questions. Okay, subjective questions. Question number 1b, again given 3 to the power minus 4. This is reviewed, and that means we revise all the portion what we have learned yesterday. Okay, last in class. So write the basic power, basic value of this exponent. So we know that very well, when the exponent given in the minus form, when we want to convert into the positive form, so first of all we what? Reciprocate them. That is automatic reciprocate is getting 4 upon 3 to the power 4. That means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, and here is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16, 16 16 is 256, and 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9 9 81. So your answer is 256 upon 81. Okay, check it out, the new concept. It's question number G, minus 5 upon 7 to the whole square. It's divided by 3 upon 4 to the power minus 2. You see, first of all, both are different from each one. That means not the bases are same. Okay, so when we open it, first of all, minus 5 square by 7 square, and here divide. When we change, because there is a minus sign and we convert this into positive exponent, so we reciprocate 4 upon 3 to the power square. So minus 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49, divided by 4 square is 16, and 3 square is 9. Okay, so 25 upon 49 into 9 into 16. We know that very well. When you change the sign, division into multiply, it automatically getting reciprocate. Okay, so no cut it, so we multiply 225 into 49 into 16. Whatever you find out answer, multiply. Okay, note it down. Okay, start from question number 2a, where you write find the reciprocal of 2a, find the reciprocal of 6 upon 5 by 2. When you reciprocate this, that is 5 getting 7, and this side getting what? Minus, clearly. Okay, for C, 1 upon 4 minus 1. When you reciprocate this one, it's getting plus sign. Okay. Okay, it's time for the question number 3. Simplify and express the result in the form of the positive exponent. That means whatever you write down the answer, it's always in the positive form. So first of all, okay, 3 upon 7, it is minus 2, and multiply by 3. So it's 3 upon 7 minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. But what the mentioned in the question, you write in the positive form. So it's 7 upon 3, because we know that very well when you want to convert into the positive exponent, it getting reciprocate. Done? Okay. It's time for question number 4a. 4a given 7 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power square equals to 3 upon 7 4x. Okay. Clear? Find the value of x. So we will see, first of all, here is 7 is minus 2. It is a negative exponent. First of all, you convert it to positive exponent. When you convert into positive exponent, that means what? It's getting reciprocate. So here is nothing is written 1. That means when it convert is 1 upon 7 square. Clear? And here is given 3 square. Okay, equals to 3 upon 7 to the 4x. When 3 square multiply this one, that is getting 3 square by 7 square equals to 3 7 4x. Okay, so in this one we write down 3 upon 7 to the whole square equals to 3 upon 7 to the power 4x. This one cut it down, that is 2 equals to 4x. So x equals to 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2, yani half. Clear? Note. C. In 4C given 343 equals to 7 3 upon 2x. See, question given in this form, I will written 343 equals to 7 3 upon 2x. Clear? So okay, so first of all, 343 means what? 343, 7 4s are 88, times the 63, 7 7. So in place of 343, write down 7 into 7 into 7, that means 7 cube. Okay, so 7 cube equals to 7 3 upon 2x. 7 cut it down, getting 3 equals to 3x upon 2. These two areas in divide, when come across this line, that getting multiply. So 3 into 2 equals to 3x. So 6 equals to 3x. Therefore x equals to 6 upon 3 equals to 2. Clear? Note. Okay, it's time for question number 5. X equals to, given if x equals to 2 upon 3 to the power whole square into 3 into 2 to the power minus 4, find the value of, that means find the value of x to the power minus 2. Okay, clear? So first of all, write x 2 upon 3 2. This is negative exponent. First we'll convert into the positive exponent, that means 2 upon 3 to the power 4. So x equals to 2 upon 3. Same base with the multiply, that means power getting plus. So 2 plus 4, that is x equals to 2 upon 3 to the power 6. We get the value of the x. But what we find here, x to the power minus 2. So our value of x is 2 upon 3 to the power 6. And here is given minus 2. In place of x, we write down 2 upon 3 to the power x, to the power 6, 2 upon 3 to the power 6. Okay, and this minus 2 for the question. Okay, so it's 2 upon 3 to the power minus 12. So our answer is 3 by 2, 12. This one also answer, this one also answer. Noted down. Okay, last question from this exercise, then your exponent chapter totally completed. Okay, question number 6. If x equals to 4 upon 5 to the power minus 2 divided 1 upon 4 to the power 2, find value of x to the power minus 1. So it's x equals to 4 upon 5 minus 2. That means when we write in the plus form, that is getting 5 upon 2 to the power square divided 1 upon 4 to the power 2. 5 upon square, that means what? 25. 2 square means 4 divided 1 square is 1 and 4 square is 16. So it's 25 power 4 into 16 by 1. This is 4, cut it down. That means 25 into 4, it's 100. In place of 100, we write down 10 to the power square or 100, whatever. But this is the value of x, and question is x to the power minus 1. That means 100 to the power minus 1. So we write down this form, 1 upon 100. Reciprocate them. So your answer is 0.01. Clear? Note.